Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It was a cheerful celebration for the life of comedian and media personality Elva Ruddock that took place on Saturday at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium in Kingston. The event, which was more of a concert than a funeral, saw industry players, fans, family and friends who all came together to pay their final respects to Ruddock. Tributes flowed in songs and dances as well as speeches and had those in attendance in laughter as people shared memories from their interactions with Ruddock. Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange was in attendance and remembered Elva as a ray of sunshine.
She was such a positive person, so full of life, vibrant, joyful, hilarious. Elva believed that life will not be perfect. But we have to make it work by doing what was uplifting, inspiring, and resonating with the entire being.
Colleague and friend Christopher Johnny Daly said her life was well lived and went on to share some of his fondest moments with her.
We're here to celebrate a life that was fully enjoyed. And yes, there were things that my friend wanted to do, but she was ready.
Former co-host Omar Azan spoke on their special bond and friendship.
I truly enjoyed and loved every bit of my time knowing and working with Elva. Our bond on the program and in the events became something I never expected or envisioned.
Elva passed away last month after a silent battle with lupus. She has been described as a woman who lived her life to the fullest. You'll definitely be missed, Elva. Rest in peace.
Each step on every toll road, somebody sing along and tell me what's going on. Oh no, I made a cuss. Much more than this. I did it. Fimi, underwear.
Jamaican performer Dalton Harris continues to deliver exceptional performances on the UK X Factor competition. Harris is now among the top 8 acts after another astonishing performance on Saturday night. Dalton once again earned a standing ovation from all the judges after giving his rendition of California Dreaming, a track made popular by American folk rock vocal group The Mamas and the Papas.
Such a winter's day. Every time you perform, I expect to stand. Dalton, you're amazing.
Lead judge and co-creator Simon Cowell, in his comments, predicted that Harris will make it to the finals.
Every time you come on, it's like a blast. And I have a feeling we are going to be seeing you in about 3 weeks' time at the final.
Harris also shared with his fans on social media that he has been struggling with believing in his ability to sing some days. Harris will move on to perform next on Saturday. You can catch his performance live right here on TVJ and on RETV. Don't worry, Dalton, you got this. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.